Expect wind
Selected.
damage to
Screen recording.
roofs,
Button.
siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Iowa State Center around 2:50 p.m. Ames, Nevada, and Gilbert around 2:55 p.m. Story City and Roland around 3:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include McCallsburg, Randall, Garden City, Radcliffe, Drake Airport, Hubbard, and Buckeye. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 103 and 139. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and $half size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sully around 3:25 p.m. Linville and Searsboro around 3:30 p.m. Grinnell Regional Airport around 3:35 p.m. Montezuma around 3:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Malcolm, Brooklyn, Holiday Lake, Victor, Hartwick, and Chelsea. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 172 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central and south central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Myaska, Marion, Poweshiek, and Tama. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for north central Lucas, Marion, south central Jasper, and southeastern Warren counties. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elk Rock State Park, or 7 miles north of Knoxville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. This
Do not disturb. Switch button.
indicated threat. The following
No service.
are expected.
Control center.
Hail damage
Air.
to vehicles
Cellular data.
expected.
Accessory. Flat. Timer. Count. Select. Alarm. Do not. Guided. Local. Selected. Screen.